Hey guys, good morning. It is 8 September, Thursday. Yesterday we had a pretty substantial rip off this trend line. It looked early in the day like it was going to maybe, falter, but the bulls came in, started buying, pushed this thing up. We ended the day, the volume here was slightly above average. I've got this basically a moving average down here on my volume, so it's slightly above average for that move yesterday. So we are coming up on a lot of different areas of interest here. You've got the holographic moving average, which is normally pretty substantial for rejection and like a support resistance. The 10 moving average is coming down. It looks like currently the S&P 500 is rejecting. This is the S&P 500 chart. We got the 50-day moving averages, blue line here, just above this 3970.2. 0.1 is, 435.06 is an area that I pulled off the monthly chart that is a point of interest. The 100-day moving average is coming down. That one could probably put up a fight. It rejected right here. It held us. It rejected here, then held support here, rejected twice here, and it didn't put up much of a fight here. But a lot of times, falling when prices entering from above, falling trend line or falling moving averages don't offer that great of support. Inversely, when a moving average is downward sloping and prices coming from underneath, it normally puts up a pretty decent resistance. So just be aware. I mean, can price bust through this? Yeah. If Jerome Powell makes some dovish statements here in about 10-15 minutes, I mean, we might just crank all the way through these. If he comes out hawkish and stays on message, we might retest this trend line down here. So just be aware there's a lot of different scenarios. I mean, we can blow through this. We can come down, test this trend line and bounce again, or we can go down, test this trend line and make a new low for the week. Oil, this thing is really kind of crazy. So oil broke through this trend line yesterday that's been in effect since November of 2020. Looks like it wants to come back up and retest. If it rejects, it might come back down here and bounce on these levels again. I really thought it would bounce here, but once again, you can't predict the future. I'm not sure there was no news besides Chinese lockdowns that would substantiate another move down. Yields right now pretty flat. Yesterday, the 3-month and the 1-year ripped higher on a Wall Street Journal report that said 75 basis point was extremely likely here in the next FOMC meeting. The Dixie, it came down yesterday, but it tested this monthly level here in this previous peak, and it looks like it's getting a nice bounce. And once again, that's not great for companies that are selling goods and services in a foreign currency and have to convert that back to dollars because they're going to lose out on that Forex trade. So just be aware that's what's kind of going on. I think yesterday with oil crashing, it was like 5%. I mean, that really gave fuel to the bulls in their, inflation's going down narrative. So the Fed's going to pivot. So we'll see. Fed Powell is going to he's teeing up right now. So I'm going to end this. You guys have a great day, and hope you guys make some money.